Hi everyone, my name is Arvinolano and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, nobody asked, but in today's video, I am taking you shopping and we are going to Homegoods. So I haven't been to Homegoods in a while, and I thought it would be fun if we go shopping together for items that are going to be trending for 2021. And I'm also going to keep a lookout for luxury designer items. I found things like beautiful lamps, hand-knotted wool rugs, you name it, I found it at Homegoods. All right, I'm excited, so let's go ahead and get going. Okay, you guys, we made it inside. I thought we could check out the furniture section first because it's looking full. Oh my gosh, I already see something that's so on trend. This cane and wooden bench. How much are you? Best of India. Oh, we like that. Certificate of authenticity. Oh, she is authentic. Okay, hold on. I don't see a price though. Oh, here we go. $149.99. It's so good, you guys. It almost has a Pierre Generet vibe. Let me actually bring it down. Okay, yeah, this is so good. Let me show you. I like the chocolate brown wood tone as well. I think it's perfect with the cane. Oh dear God, no, stay away from anything mirrored. That is so bad. Here's an interesting little cabinet. I'm kind of into this woven pattern. Oh, it's kind of cute, not bad. It's $179. Ooh, she's a little expensive. What do you think? Do you like this? Is this your style? I like this textured leg detail. And they have two. These feel very farmhouse to me. I'm not into farmhouse anymore. Are you? Like, do you still like farmhouse? Because I feel like it's already dead. Ooh, that's a great chair. I feel like this is definitely a Restoration Hardware dupe. It's $399. Great brass detail and this like sculptural shape. Oh, I like it. The fabric too is quite nice. Oh my gosh, this is interesting. A snake table. $199. Oh, it feels really chintzy though. Like, cool concept if you have like a really eclectic home, but it feels really cheap. Oh my gosh, I am not mad at this cow printed chair. That actually could be so fun in the right space. It's giving me like Kelly Wearstler vibes. Oh, it's by Four Hands. Actually, that's a really good brand, you guys. It's $299. Yeah, definitely could be a good accent piece. So warm neutrals are going to be huge this year, and these ottomans are right on that trend. It's almost like an ochre color. This actually looks great next to like beige or a cream. I mean, look how good these are. Layer these underneath some consoles or even put them next to a fireplace as additional seating. And for $59.99, oh my gosh, so good. A ton of benches right now, but I would honestly stay away from anything that has like this tufted detail. Like anything like this looks really outdated and really chunky. Even this to me looks kind of cheap. The wood finish is not the best. Like the whitewashed is not it anymore. Here's an interesting coffee table. I think it's made out of glass, but I love the organic shapes. Oh, Marintier register, please. Again, great shape that's on trend for this year. And look, here we go, more of that ochre color. Love that. Oh my God, I'm getting flashbacks of last year. I got one of these, like, I had it in my old studio, you guys, and look how massive it is compared to my hand. It's literally huge. It's not my style anymore, but if you're looking, they are available at Homegoods right now. Okay, let's play cheap or chic. I'm gonna show you some items and you let me know if it's cheap or chic. this though. Trash. This is where I found all of my designer lamps, so let's see if we can find some good things today. I like this shape, very simple and minimal, good for like a Scandi home. And it has a wireless charger, that's kind of cool. Ooh, this one's good. I see an alabaster lamp, $99. This is giving me like major hotel vibes. I like the brass leg detail. Here's another great style if you want something that's a little more contemporary, more modern. Drexel Heritage, $49.99. I like all the curves. That's a huge trend, of course, for 2021 is curved anything. I'm into this lamp. Yes, the black with the brass detail. So good. This one is $79.99. Great shade. Cute. Ooh, these are good. Wow, look at this mirror, handmade in India. I like how it's a very simple silhouette, but you get these really intricate carved details. I can see someone doing like that gold gilded look on this. It's only $199 for a really tall mirror. Ooh, I'm tempted, but again, I have no space for another mirror like this. What do you think about this mirror? Would you get something like this? Comment down below. I like my outfit today, you guys. This rug is incredible, you guys. It's way too blue for me, but if this is your color palette, Rugsmith, hand knotted. That is the key, okay? That is what you want if you're looking for wool rugs at HomeGoods, because look at this quality. Look at that. Oh, it's so good. I wish this was beige because I'd totally get it. This one's not bad. I love how distressed it looks. I always favor more like quiet patterns when it comes to rugs. It's just a little bit easier to style compared to like something like this. This is like too much for me. Let's see if they have anything else. This is good, you guys. Do you see how like worn in it looks? Almost like a vintage rug. Nicole Miller, $3.99. I mean, you can't go wrong with those prices. Wait, what's this? Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my god. I don't know if you can see like the true color of that because of the lighting, but it has like a, oh, that's so nice. How much? $2.99. Okay. Let me see what else they have. Yeah, I don't see anything else. Okay. Okay, I'm not really seeing anything else in this location, so let's go ahead and go to another one. So far, all of the trends that I talked about in this video have showed up in HomeGoods, and I'm kind of shocked, to be honest, because I thought that HomeGoods would be like a little bit late to the party, a little bit late to the trends, but I was wrong. So we are here now in my favorite location in Vegas, so we're gonna go inside and let's see what they have. Here in the outdoor section, and oh my gosh, look at what I found. It looks like a European, like almost Tuscan, like terracotta piece. It's massive, you guys, and it's only $69.99. Oh my gosh, do I get it? Do I not get it? I don't really need any more vessels, but this one is fabulous. Okay, just so you can see for scale, it's so good. Okay. I saw another vessel here, another terracotta piece. How good is that? It looks so nice and rustic. Hold on. Let me put this down by this trash Raydon stuff. Okay, stay. Look at this. With the ring detail. Oh my gosh, I would even like distress this more so it looks vintage. Oh my gosh, paint it black. Yes. How much is it? It doesn't have a price. Oh, I love this terracotta vessel. It looks nice and large. It's great for an outdoorsy kind of moment. Doesn't have a price. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, Italy Garden Collection, $39.99, you guys. Terracotta is another huge color trend happening this year, so if you're into that, definitely get one of those. Look at this giant clam! Is it real? No, I don't think so. It says handcrafted in the USA. $79.99. Oh my gosh, if you're into like coastal decor, look at that. They have another one of those terracotta pots over there. And another one over there. I am so tempted to get this guy, you guys, but I just have like no room for something like that anymore. Right? Like, should I just leave it? Ah, but I love the way it looks. Ooh, and look at this little David bust with, it's kind of a planter actually. It's not bad, it's really cute. How much is it? I feel like these are always on trend. I'm not in love with the color, so I'd probably paint that white. They have so many faux florals out, you guys. They are getting ready for spring. Spring has sprung, okay? Oh, look at these. I'm really into these little topiary faux plants. I just got one from Amazon. It's a lot cuter than this, but I feel like it's really cool for a kitchen counter. That's interesting. Oh, I like this little fern. That's chic. I like that a lot. The vessel and the little plant stand. $9.99. Oh, I like these. I think these are real dried florals. Yes, handcrafted by artisans. We love a good artisan from the fields. How much are you? $39.99. Okay. Oh my god, look at this. They have a ton of huge vessels. I feel like this is made of paper mache. It's $149. Oh my god, I'm getting like Santa Monica proper vibes. Okay, stay away from this section at HomeGoods. This is the worst. We don't need a sign that says welcome. We can welcome our guests ourselves, thank you. Oh dear god, what is that? That is just like a fire hazard. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, God. Trash. Okay, you know spring is coming when they put out all the outdoor furniture. I feel like HomeGoods is good for that. They have a lot of different sets. And, oh, look at this. Not really my style, but that's kind of cool. Oh, these are not bad. They look like the brand Four Hands. Is it? It is Four Hands. Now, see, this pattern is a lot more like traditional, but I like how it's a little more fun too. I'm actually not mad at those. Let's go ahead and check out their pillow section. You guys know I love a good pillow plan moment. Ooh, I see that these are back. These are Venetia Home pillows. I have all of the neutral ones. I found them last year, but I'm seeing lots of this rose color in pillows, you guys. What's great about HomeGoods, a lot of them are feather filled. Look at this one with like more of a velvet finish. I'm usually more of a fan of neutrals. Oh dear god, no, not that one. Definitely not that one. Oh god, no. No. Oh, these are just... These are so bad, you guys. No, 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 no. I feel like this is that grand millennial cottagecore trend, but done wrong. Like, it just looks so cheap, so cheesy. No. Such a good size. $99. Look at that. It's so big. Oh, I like this. I like this. Okay, this is nice. You get this fluted detail. The wood tone is interesting. It's $399. You get lots of good storage. Wow, okay. Oh, this bench is good. I like that a lot. I'm not going to take it down because it looks heavy, but good wood tone and good fabric color. Alright everyone, that was it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed shopping with me at HomeGoods for things that are going to be trending in 2021. Make sure you sound off in the comments down below if you want to see more videos just like this one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone!